The Cagiva SST series was introduced in the late 1970s and continued into the early 1980s. It comprised a range of motorcycles designed for both street and racing purposes, featuring various engine displacements. One of the most notable models in the SST series was the Cagiva SST 350, which was powered by a 350cc two-stroke engine. This bike gained recognition for its impressive power output and agility, making it popular among riders who sought a blend of performance and handling. However, the production of the SST series eventually ceased, marking the end of an era for Cagiva's sporty and innovative line of motorcycles. But thanks to Obert and Bezzi, there is hope that Cagiva will introduce to us the Comback of SST series in 2025. It called Cagiva SST 400. The reason may seem complex, but it would certainly make sense in the end. The market for simple motorbikes, which is a single-cylinder motorbikes with a displacement of around half a liter, with a classic appearance and economically affordable, seems to be one of the most profitable. Like Royal Enfield, Honda, Triumph, and others company are joining this game too. Ultimately, through an agreement with the QJ Group, owner of Bentley already be a partner of other international manufacturers. A new Cagiva motorcycle could be created in a short time, which would exploit the single-cylinder engine of the Imperial 400 to give life to a basic bike, which would be a rival from the models that proposed by Royal Enfield and others. That stuff's about a joint venture with some Chinese group is a big sign to us to see a bigger picture about this Cagiva SST 400 launching. A lot of agreements are already in place for other products, so trying to extend them to revive a brand with classic motorcycles. Why not? Furthermore, the SST 400 would be better structured dimensionally than its made in India rivals, with an old Cagiva classic look, but without false vintage reminiscences, a bike of substance, economical in consumption, very robust, comfortable, and timeless. Is this a sign of the return from Cagiva? What do you think, guys?